sometimes, guys, you're just going through it. So you need to have some quality time with the boys to work on some cars. You know what I mean?
Get this.
You know what I mean? Whoa, hey, whoa.
Am I done?
Damn, son.
There's no lock wheel, right?
Fatties.
No.
Yeah, you know, we're gonna fix this fitment out here.
Yeah, I know.
Look at that front though. Don't worry, Christian, if you're watching, I won't show your blemishes. Damn, look how sideways is it.
Oh. No, I was stripping it. Wait.
Wrong size.
This is a 21.
What are you doing?
Hey, he said do it. I said all right then.
You're good. John just on me.
All right. You gotta love your homies when they're going through it.
Yeah.
Damn, guys, these are weird ass lugs. They like move when they're on the car and they're tight, and they're the wrong size. Let's check the fitment. Okay.
You see the difference, bro?
Okay. It's not bad. All right, John. Welcome to your therapy session. So how are so what's on your mind today? Oh, I gotta sit like this. You gotta have like notes. What's on your mind today? Just let it out. Whatever you're feeling.
You know, I was thinking, I was like, if my mom goes to the kitchen. I was thinking, bro, I was like, if the sanitizer water is below 20 degrees Fahrenheit, how many licks does it take to get to the center of the Tootsie Pop?
Yours are done. How's it look?
Way better than the core one.
Better? Is it a bounce?
That's pretty good. It needs to settle.
Yeah, I didn't really settle that.
Damn, look at this. What is this? Oh, fist and a half. You need some low, Christian.
Hey, Christian, line me up. All right, line me up.
You need some low. This is like
real?
2 fingers.
From the side, so I don't know what he wants to do.
Maybe 3.
Christian, how we gonna do this?
2 and a half. 2 and a half.
Bro, I'm about to catch a cramp.
Yeah, get it.
I'm about to catch a cramp.
I thought you were strong, Josh.
Sure,
What happened?
What happened, man?
Here, bro. There you go. Dad, what on this side?
Oh no.
Quick release.
I promised I wouldn't show any of this. I promise I would not show this right here.
What am I doing?
I didn't want to show this part right here. Right there.
This one?
Yeah. So I'm not gonna show it.
You're not showing.
I was just gonna drip one.
Yeah, I promise I won't show it.
It's okay.
Hurry, man. Where's your brother, bro? Come on, hurry. Good start. Come on, Luigi. There you go. Good drop. Put that one in. Go, hurry, go. Fuck you, fuckers. Y'all just watching.
Go! Fastest spacer install. Go!
Calling out Adam LZ, TJ Hunt.
Okay, just make it. Christian, you're fucking up, bro.
Go! Give me one.
Right, give John the camera. You know damn well he's not gonna do shit. Right, you're fucking up, right.
Get him.
What the fuck, me?
Come on, zap it on, hurry, zap it on there.
Go, zap it. What are you doing?
Damn.
Oh shit.
Come on, start pattern, bro. What are you doing?
Yeah, I don't want crisscross there.
That sounds dope.
Get the fuck in there, man. Oh, yeah.
You gotta
Find the
strip
hole,
it,
baby.
bro.
Where's the torque?
There you go, Josh.
Torque wrench.
Torque.
Fucking up.
Screw it. NASCAR doesn't. Oh shit.
Hurry.
He said catch.
Torque.
Give me it.
They already have the machines torqued to it, don't they? Like,
I'll give you support.
No. What? I got it.
You're loosening it.
No, I'm not. Yes, I am. I'm fucking up so bad.
What are you doing, bro?
Sub,
I gotta go to a different one.
sub. Get a sub.
Tap your head.
One more. Get a sub, bro. We need a
Come
sub.
down with it.
Oh.
Oh, shit.
Okay.
Oh.
It's not okay.
Strip that shit, bro.
How do I get it off?
Guys, you stripped it. Pose for me, bro. Hey, get in the sun real quick.
Bro, can you stop?
Get in the sun real quick. Hold on. Where's this? Go right here, bro. Go right here.
Do like a slow motion shot.
Hey, oh, we'll do another one. Hold on. What do they do in the car videos? They like, they're like.
Wait, how do I like?
Fuck, I don't even know what they do. Hold on. Oh yeah.
Oh shit, I gotta like.
Oh yeah.
I gotta like.
You know where the black thing
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
See, look. It's the wrong one I was using. That's why.
You got.
It wasn't my fault.
You're all capital, your phone.
It's not my fault. Okay?
So this one is 19.
See? Yeah, Christian, you got some sick ass tats. Not gonna lie. Care if I show
Thank
it?
you, bro. Go for it.
You're going on his thumb, bro.
There you go.
Yeah, that one's sick.
So if I buy one like this 19.
We're back.
Go.
We're back.
Go.
Get on there.
Come on, zap it.
Let's go on, zap.
That's how it sounds. Now hold it there. Back. Come on, zap. Are you gonna put some music over this? Did I get this?
Good.
Bro, I don't even know if I got that.
I was going fast
Did I
though,
get
huh? Torque man.
Torque it. I know you're not used to this, Roy. I know you're not used to this, Roy,
That
but
one is for that one. This one is 19.
click.
There you go.
One more. There you go.
Look at that. Ooh, one more.
Hey.
Lucky that took so long.
No.
We're like, let's go fast. 5 hours later.
Fitment check.
That looks good as hell.
Yeah, I mean it's not settled, but
Happens to the best of us.
pretty good. Not bad. Let's do a little one of these. Not bad.
Use the bish bish.
Wait, say it again.
You have to use the bish bish. Bish bish. Bish bish. Bish. Bish bish. Say with me, bish bish. Bish bish bish. Damn, Josh's dad got the sick ass RX-8. Pretty fresh. And then Josh's car getting worked on right now. He got the header off. Then you drop the transmission. This boy blew up his clutch. We got everything working on it right now. This car is donezo. But I just love the way that this just looks so sick. SC1000s are so dope. Alright, the moment of truth. See if it runs. Tell me when. Good?
Not bad.
Your stock height.
Yeah, you're not really gonna.
And it's not even poked. It would tuck. The front is where look at the front. What was you like? I don't know. Cause the front
No,
looks
it's not
lower.
gonna hit. Might hit the plastic cover.
Yeah.
No, it's not gonna hit.
Even just that tiny bit, it just makes it look way better.
Some shots, John.
Get some shots. We'll do another one of these because I do one of these. Try to get closer. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. She looks good. Oh, look at that shot. Hit it with a one time.
Yeah, hit it. Hit him with it. Hit him with it. Not the two-step. Rev it a little. The neighbors. Just a little rev. A little. No two-step.
We'll leave right after.
No two-step. Just a tiny. That's good. Oh my God! I gotta get out and record this. Stop up here so I can hop out. Two-step. That's so fucking loud.
What? Yeah, I got the cake for it. Yeah, I'll Well, you have to ask them how much.
What are you recording me for, huh?
What are you recording me for?
I don't know.
Huh?
Why are you recording me for?
What are you recording me for?
Who are you recording for? Oh shit.
I missed it. Oh.
Oh. You guys, when you're going through it, you gotta have some.
Yeah, just put them on blast.
Post,
Yeah, put them on
some
blast.
post working on cars sushi. You feel me? This is mukbang. I have a subscriber. Your name is
Oh yeah, I saw the comment.
385 Soldier. 285 Soldier. If you're watching this right now, I'm gonna film this mukbang for you. This one is for you specifically.
Yes,
I promise you.
Say hi to the vlog.
Okay, so Darian showed up. I gave him my keys to go to my car to get a mask.
It looks like this.
There's 10 brand new masks sitting in the center console, and this fool grabs the one that's been in, first of all, on my face for
It's
like
backwards.
a week and a half. It was in my door with all my trash.
Well, you didn't tell me where all the new ones were at.
You could have looked around.
Fool, look at this thing.
then I'm not
You put this on your face?
Go eat at home.
Are you serious?
Yeah, I thought it was all you can eat.
That's a used tampon, bro.
That's a used tampon, bro. Would you put this on your face?
No.
Exactly. What are you doing?
Fuck off, bitch.
Now he left because he doesn't like sushi. Damn. Damn, guys. We eating good out here. Ooh. All right, guys.
I could record you,
Here
bro.
we go.
My dad got that.
No, I got this. Here we go. 285 Soldier. This is for you. Or 385, I don't know.
One of the three.
Ooh. Ooh.
Oh my god.
Sushi. Cheers.
Here, get me. Get me. Alright, don't get me that. That's fine. Get me.
Sorry. That's good.
This is for you. What's his name again?
285 Soldier.
285 Soldier. This one's for you.
I'm gonna get another piece. Hold up. Get that soy sauce. Ooh.
Why don't you give me shit hot sauce? Wait, what
Goddamn, that's good.
Spicy mayo.
I need another one.
I don't know, bro.
Try ask her there.
Oh my god, that's so good. Oh, I see you. You get some soy sauce on there?
Yeah. Munch on that hoe.
The ASMR.
Get some of this teriyaki. Some in there.
We gotta get the second sushi. Out of 10.
I mean, what? That's a 10 out of 10 too. What I just had.
Recording?
Alright, it's recording.
What's the probability of you eating that?
Well, no, just we already said it. So
Alright, count it. Out of 5?
what's the count? What is it?
Out of 5.
What are we doing?
Out of 5, so I'll count down, and then you say number between 1 and 5.
Let's just straight up. One of us has to rock paper scissors.
No, bro.
that's
That's not the probability there.
Let's
That's
go.
rock, paper, scissors.
Let's put it all on the
He's been a bitch right
line.
now. He's scared.
He's scared.
Scared of cat ass.
That gives me more of a chance of eating it. What are you talking about?
Out of 5. And then you can say it back to me.
It's 1 out of 2 if we play rock paper scissors.
Alright, 1 out of 2.
You
Ready?
just don't want to eat it.
Ready?
Yeah, just say 1
Yeah,
out of 2
rock paper scissors.
1 out of 2 probability.
No,
say
because
1
then
or
it's
2.
only me.
But it's more fun when you say 1 out of 2.
Because it's like nerve-wracking.
Let's just fucking rock paper scissors.
See, we were
Let's
doing the
see.
probability. Now he wants to be like, oh, rock, paper, scissors. The camera's on, that's why.
No.
Nah.
What?
Talk about
You just don't eat that. You're the pussy.
when he figured out it was all you could eat.
So y'all ain't gonna do this?
He just put it on his plate. Look at this dude.
Come on, bro. Come on, bro. See, you already just did it.
I'll just fucking eat it.
Alright then.
I'll just be
Eat
a
a good
beast.
amount.
Alright, do it.
No,
That's
more,
good.
more, more,
That's good. No, that's good. That's good. No water.
You can't spit it out, bro. Don't spit it out.
That's pretty hot.
What do you think? What do you think?
It just tastes nasty.
It is straight up wasabi. Green tea ice cream.
Alright, we'll check back in 2 seconds.
That was nothing. I ate the whole thing. Josh is a bitch. He won't have any of it. I'm not
I
even
have hot
tripping.
sauce right here.
I'm not even tripping. Do some of the wasabi.
What's some hot sauce?
Fuck no.
Do the wasabi. Take a thing of what I did. Same size.
Here.
Prove you're not a bitch. You got the little one from there? The little tiny one from earlier? Alright.
Just has a kick to it. That's it.
You're still a bitch. You're still a bitch.
All this
Now
right here.
they're doing one for John. They're doing their stupid probability.
Out of
1 and 2?
I bet. Ready?
Good job. Good job.
Alright, out of what? Like that.
I'll do it.
realistically.
I'll do it.
You just eat the whole thing?
Us 2.
Us 2?
Yeah.
Alright, ready?
But you have to eat it. If out of 2 though.
Okay.
Alright,
Out of
ready?
2?
So I'll count down.
3, 2,
Thank you.
1.
1.
Yeah, say less.
Oh man, bro.
Eat it.
Can't even grab it. Just eat all the like all that ginger. Go ahead. Bro, get all of it. There's still more right here.
What the
No way.
fuck?
Get this too.
What? He goes back for more? Bro,
Coming back for seconds.
That's third.
I'm gonna throw up.
Delicious.
Yeah, you're right.
And he's like, it's like good to him.
You're right. You're right.
He likes
Get me.
it.
Get me. You're right. Yeah.
Love ginger.
You're right.
Bro, I can smell it.
I know our breath's gonna be hot.
Dude, it's like you just ate Bengay.
I'm not gay.
Hey, props for that. Props
not
for
that
that shit.
Now this one.
And they have the sauce on it too.
Now do the whole wasabi.
Out of 5.
No.
Oh, you're gonna do it?
Oh, no
yeah, he's
way.
good with spice.
Psych,
Oh.
no,
Oh, okay. Alright guys, that's where I'm gonna end today's vlog. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I hope you guys like those ST pops. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I will catch you guys next time. Peace out.
Bye.